Story time. Puppy goes out. Puppy is sleeping with his mother. Suddenly he gets up and sees the moon and the stars. Quietly, he gets up from his bed and tiptoes out of the house. Mother always tells him not to go out alone. But still, he goes out alone. He walks into the garden. It is dark outside. He is scared. Suddenly he sees someone behind a bush. He starts crying loudly. Mother, save me! Out of the bush comes a figure. To his amazement, it is his mother. Back to bed, she says. Puppy happily does as his mother tells him to do. He hugs his mother and they go back home.